Welcome to the online classes of Deeple School Joshipur. So today we are going to read about the SST of class 3. This is your book Prachi Excellence in Social Studies 3. All of you come to page 20. In the last class we studied about 3H's, how to have food, what is the habit of food, and how to have healthy foods. And today we shall read about types of food we eat. So here you see we have 4 types of food: fresh fruits, cooked food, junk food. So now let us read about fresh food. So you see in the picture some vegetables are given here. These are known as fresh food. We eat some raw vegetables like carrots, radish, cucumber, tomatoes, cabbage as salad. So as salad we can eat these things. Before eating any fruit, vegetables, we must wash them to remove the germs. To remove the germs, first we should wash them in water cleanly, and after that we can eat them. So these are the things which are known as fresh food. All the vegetables. Okay, you see in the picture radish is given, cucumber, tomatoes, cabbage. Okay, and all this can be eaten raw as salad. So in this way these are fruits which are eaten raw, fresh fruits. These are papaya, apples, oranges, mangoes, cherries, grapes. These are also the things which can the fruits which we can eat raw. We do not need to cook them. These particular food items, we don't need to cook. They are juicy and pulpy and keep our body healthy and energetic. Usually we eat cooked food, but here in this case these fruits are eaten always raw. Okay, without cooking we should eat them. Now next come the cooked food. So what are cooked food? Cooking makes a food soft and tasty to eat. It can easily be digested. So some food materials are there, items are there which should be cooked before we eat for our easy digestion. Cooking also kill the germs and bacteria sometimes found in the raw food. So in some raw food materials, you see the bacteria or germs, viruses are found there. So in order to kill them, we need to cook the food. Okay, some cooked food are rice, you can say roti, different curry, meat, chicken, fish, egg. These are the things which should be eaten only cooked. Okay, so this is about cooked food. Next comes, you see, your diet chart for healthy living. One chart is given, diet chart. So 3 meals a day properly. Okay, breakfast at the morning, lunch at afternoon, and dinner at night. So one time schedule is given here for you to maintain as your food habit or daily eating habit. So in the morning we should have the breakfast, the lunch in the afternoon by 1 o'clock, 1 to 2 o'clock, and dinner we should eat at night between 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Okay, fresh fruits, vegetables, salads, fruits juice, and roasted gram, peanut, curd, these are the things we should consume as a healthy food. More water and fresh juice instead of cold drinks. Generally most of you like to eat the drink the cold drinks, but as it is written here, you see cold drinks is not good for you. Instead of cold drinks you should drink water and fresh juice, fruit juice. Okay, and in this way Less salt, more fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, cereals, cornflakes, unpeeled apples and pears. These are fibrous and keep our digestive tract smooth and clear. So the things, okay, you see in the picture, fruits are here, vegetables are here. Okay, so when when you eat, you should eat less salt. We should not eat more salt. Instead of we should not take more salt and more sugar also. We can have fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, like you can say water soaked grains, moong dal, water soaked moong dal, and other grains, cereals, cornflakes, unpeeled apples, apple which is unpeeled. Without peeling the apple we can have it, and pear also. And in this way we can have more fibers in our food, and fiber is the nutrient which keep our digestive tract smooth and clear. By eating fibrous food, our digestive system becomes effective. Okay, if we do not eat the fibrous food, then we will have, surely we will have constipation problem. Okay, and some things are there which should be eaten less, once in a month, you can say, not every day. These are fatty foods. Okay, butter, cheese, oil, ghee, and fried food like pakoda and samosa. These are the things. Here it is written have not. Means you should not have all these things. These are not good for your digestive tract, like pizzas, noodles, potato wafers, sweet ice cream, and drinks like ice cream and drinks means cold drinks. So junk food can make us fatty. These are the things which make us fatty. We will become fat. Okay, we will have obesity, and this is not good for our health. Though some tend to eat them, you should control them. If you cannot control them, you should reduce the consumption of this food, especially that known as junk food. So try to have least amount of junk food. Maybe if you cannot control, at least take it only once in a month. If you can control it completely, then completely leave eating this junk food. Okay, now see ways of cooking. Different types of cooking are there. One is called boiling, next is baking, roasting, frying, poaching. Okay, so this is the process by which we can cook food. Rice is cooked by boiling. Everybody, all of us know that rice is cooked only by boiling in the water. Wheat is ground into flour, and after that, after kneading the wheat, we bake them into chapati. Okay, wheat is baked as chapati. Here you can see picture. Rice is boiled, wheat is kneaded, and after that it is baked. Pulses are boiled in water. Different pulses are also boiled in water. Meat, mutton, chicken, and fish are, these are the things which are roasted, fired, or boiled also. Eggs are boiled, fried, or poached. Egg is also eaten in three way, cooked in three way: boiled, either fried or poached. In the same way, vegetables are also roasted, fried, or boiled. So these are the process of cooking. Four processes are there. One is boiling, baking, roasting, frying, and poaching. Okay. So this much for today. In the next class, we will read about why do we need food every day. Thank you.